Hey, welcome to Vince's Kitchen. Today we're doing fried mozzarella.
Okay, fried mozzarella. Here we are. So we have our flour dredge, our egg bath, and our panko crumbs, Italian seasoned panko crumbs. If you want to know what I put in the flour, you can always go take a look at our buffalo nuggets episode, and it's got all the ingredients in that. I'll put a card up in the corner there. But let's go ahead and get into this thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our mozzarella and get some powder on that. This is pre-sliced mozzarella from one of the big name stores. Then we're going to get that nice and coated with the panko crumbs. And then we're going to set those off to the side. Do another one, get that in there, get that all nice and coated. Egg bath, and then our panko crumbs. I think I'm going to double dip that one. So once we actually get it nice and coated, I'm going to run through the rest of these. And once I get them nice and coated, they don't have to go in. They just got to be a nice golden brown in the fryer for too long. So once I've gotten through the rest of these, got them all coated up, we'll come back and we'll go hit the frying pan. Okay, our oil is nice and hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start placing the mozzarella carefully into the frying pan. I also have a marinara sauce warming up, and we're probably only going to do these for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then once I flip them over, then we're going to just put them right into a dish so that the excess oil can get wiped off. Just like that. Okay, so the first three are ready to come off the flame. Placing them on a paper towel just to get that excess oil. Move those guys over. We'll put the last three on there. And then we'll be ready for the taste test with the marinara sauce. Alright, this is the last of the mozzarella coming off. A little hot on that side, it's alright. Adds a nice little crisp to it. Let's go ahead and get that going. And we'll be back in just a sec. I'll get that marinara warmed up and get ready for the taste test. Okay, so we're getting ready to plate the mozzarella up. Let me grab my tongs. Oh, nice and crispy. Look at that. Go ahead and get that going. Just like so. Grab my ladle. Now this is the same marinara sauce that we made the other day. I'll put the card up in the corner so you guys can actually see. And then we're going to take this a step further. And we're going to add some pecorino romano cheese over the top of that. Just like that. Cheese on top of cheese on top of cheese. You gotta love it.
We have 3 gorgeous pieces of fried mozzarella cheese with some of our marinara sauce topped with pecorino romano cheese. I really can't wait to dig into this. Oh, just cheesy goodness. Oh, that is a home run. Oh man, just phenomenal. Simple ingredients. Mm, a little bit of comfort in the kitchen. Where's my wine? I forgot my wine. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll see you in a minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for coming to my party here in Vince's Kitchen.